Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay with Apple Pay on Amazon in 2025. As a user of Apple devices, you can now enjoy the convenience of using Apple Pay to make purchases on Amazon. First, ensure that your device is compatible with Apple Pay, including iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or Mac. You also need to have the latest version of the Amazon app or access to the Amazon website. To set up Apple Pay on your device, go to the Settings app, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay, and then add a credit or debit card. You can do this by taking a photo of the card or entering the details manually. Once your card is added, open the Amazon app or access the Amazon website, and sign in to your account. Proceed to the checkout page and select the items you want to purchase. When you are ready to pay, select the payment method as Apple Pay. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After authentication, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the card being used. If all details are correct, confirm the payment. You will then receive a confirmation of the transaction, and the payment will be processed. You can also track the status of your order in the Amazon app or website. Best practices for using Apple Pay on Amazon include ensuring that your device is updated with the latest software, and that your card information is up to date. It is also essential to keep your device and account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, paying with Apple Pay on Amazon is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a seamless and hassle-free shopping experience on Amazon using Apple Pay.